Okay, we are going to change out the AC heater blower motor relay resistor. It's got a few different names. This is the part here. I'll have the part number information in the description. You need the new part, of course. You need a Phillips screwdriver. The kind of shorter one, the better. And then, you know, I have a headlight on, whatever kind of lighting you need to do. It's underneath the glove box. You need to kind of take the glove box apart, which we're going to do, and then there's a panel underneath. So you kind of go at it from the top as well as the bottom. So this panel underneath, there are 1, 2, 3 little square in there, and they each have a little plastic indentation. So I'm going to try to get this panel off. So I'm just kind of squeezing in, and then I'm grabbing my other finger here to kind of pull one off. And then the second one, same kind of thing, press and just kind of pull. And then the third one over here, press. And then this panel just comes off. Okay, there's our panel. Now we're going to take our glove box partially apart. So this guy over here kind of snaps off. It's one of the ways to keep it's kind of a soft pull thing, like a drawer in the kitchen. And then there's also this guy, and there's one on the other side. So I'm going to take him off. It's kind of a twist and pull. And then over here on the other side of the glove box, there's another guy, kind of twist and pull him. Okay. And now the glove box slides down. So now I'm going to zoom in on the part itself. So let's see what I can do here with my light and my camera. Okay. There's the part. So you can see it's screwed in. There's a screw on each side. Not sure, let me zoom in here a little bit. There's a screw on each side. There we go. There's a screw on each side that just holds the part in place. It's not an electrical contact. All the electricity just happens when you plug it into the part itself. So you're not plugging the part into anything. The two screws are just to hold it in place. So it is a little difficult to get in there. You come at it from the top or the bottom, whatever kind of works for you. The shorter screwdriver worked a little better for me. You pull those two screws out, swap the part out, plug it back in, and really that's all there is to it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the glove box back together. Start over here, get that guy in, and then push in either one of these guys on the side here. Lock that one in. Lock in this other side. I had to push that in a little bit. Glove box is back together, working fine. Going to put the bottom panel back on. It's just kind of a snap and fit. If you can see, there's a couple slots. There's a slot right there, and then a slot over here. You'll see it. Push the two ends into those two slots. A little tight there. Okay. And then you just kind of snap it up into place. Give it some light taps, and you're done.